We have a good panel. Shahid Siddiqui, Chief Editor, Nai Dunya, Rashid Kidwai of The Telegraph follows the Congress party very closely, sometimes too closely. The Congress doesn't like it. Aarti Jairath is with us tonight, senior journalist. Sunil Alag. So we have a bit of coming together of our election panel once again. So I'm very happy at that.
Very happy to see
people, sorry for this little, people are happy to see each other. Dr. Ajay Alok of the JDU, Pinky Anand of the BJP, national spokesperson of the BJP, and on the News Hour tonight, I'd like to put the first question to Ami Yagnik of the Congress party. Now, Ms. Ami Yagnik, don't take it otherwise. In the academic world, there is a use of a word emeritus, which means some kind of a post-retirement status. So you have Professor Emeritus. Right? But for Rahul, what is he? Is he Leader Emeritus? And it's an honorary kind of position which gives you get respect, but you're not really doing anything. So a retired professor becomes Professor Emeritus. Thank God there is nothing so far nowadays as Editor Emeritus or Journalist Emeritus, otherwise many people would have taken that position. I'm just mean this on a lighter note. But some people are beginning to say that Rahul Gandhi at the ripe old age of 44 has become the Leader Emeritus of the Congress party. Why is he doing this? Why is he ducking, dodging and avoiding everything? Every bit of responsibility.
Arnav.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, you're bringing this lingo of emeritus, to our country. It's very good that you're bringing academics.
No, it's a well-known lingo. In the male version, it's emeritus, and emerita is the female equivalent.
It's a good enlightenment. It's a good enlightenment on this lingo. We need it here a lot in the academic world in India. That's on the lighter side. Rahul Gandhi ji has decided, maybe he just took the, wants to just work for the organization because of the result we had in
what
the
organization?
Elections. And if he chooses, he wants to be for the organization, be there as a strength for the organization, build it up and just come back. What is wrong in that?
No, you are
Why
now.
should he not
No,
take
you
that
didn't
decision
answer.
himself?
No, I'll tell you one thing. If you look at this word emeritus, in some cases it is conferred automatically on people who get a certain rank. In other cases, it marks when you have distinguished service. So at the end of your distinguished service, you are called Professor Emeritus. So you get some kind of a rank. So I didn't mean it disparagingly.
I know that.
I'm only saying.
All your viewers also know the distinction.
No, I don't know. But a political leader who says, I will not marshal my partymen on the floor of the Lok Sabha. A leader of the Lok Sabha who says, I will not devise strategy. A leader of the Lok Sabha who says, I will not engage with the government. Then I just want to know, is Rahul Gandhi cut out for that job at all? Let's open up the debate with Pinky Anand of the BJP. Then we are opening this up. If you're ducking responsibility, we need to know now when you will take the responsibility, or whether taking responsibility is seasonal exercise.
There is no question of ducking responsibility. The party has chosen. If you kindly see the senior leader of the party,
blame
and
the
look
party.
at the experience he has, and it is a party who decides who would like to be appointed as the leader of the opposition. And you may not just come to conclusions and jump to all kinds of surmises that the person, Rahul Gandhi, is ducking responsibility or whatever you are bringing.
I think the perception that everybody is having, which is rather clear on the surface, is that Mr. Rahul Gandhi doesn't seem to have the wherewithal to face any situation. First, it was a question of naming him as the potential Prime Minister. Then he became the category of former future Prime Minister, never coming into that position because he was too afraid to face anybody. I think the game is kind of over. So really speaking, it's quite evident to the people at large.
What do you mean game is over?
A person who is not willing.
What do you mean game is over?
Well, for the game is over to the extent that they were only playing a game. These elections had been given up as lost by the Congress. They don't want to come into the forefront. Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi do not wish to take up any responsibility, so thrust it on somebody else and try and rule from behind. That is the
power without responsibility.
Being over as far
power
as
without responsibility.
Yes, absolutely.
Power without responsibility, privilege without accountability, position without contribution. You see, it's a very interesting, fact is, he didn't take up a ministerial position. Prime Minister kept asking him, take a position, he didn't take a ministerial position. He did not even agree to be projected as the prime ministerial candidate. He failed in the party campaign in the Lok Sabha. He failed as party vice president. He failed at leading your party in the December assembly elections. And there is now dissent within your party. The best thing, Aarti Jairath and Shahid Siddiqui, let me get you in the best thing. Shahid Siddiqui and Aarti Jairath in that order for the Congress party would be to see Rahul Gandhi say, I will take responsibility. I am going to change my game, as you call it, and become leader of the opposition. LOP. Shahid Siddiqui.
Arnab,
Whether he can become
first
that
of
or
all,
not, that
I'll
is also
say
another issue.
in the long run, let me come in. In the long run, we need a very strong opposition in the interest of Indian democracy. And that opposition has to be provided by some party. I hope, I wish it is the Congress party which does that. But that is not possible with the backseat driving which Congress has been doing for so long. And it will not work anymore. It has not worked. It will not work anymore. I have all my respect for the Gandhi family, because unfortunately only Gandhi family can keep Congress united, otherwise it cannot function. It is their Achilles heel. But Rahul Gandhi, he should realize that he has to lead from the front, or he has to say, hang up his shoes and say, look,
Yeah, that's the point.
It's not possible for me. In the interest of the party, of his father, of his grandmother, of his great-grandfather, he should stand up and
quit
say,
politics?
look, let some leader be there.
You mean he should quit politics?
Let a Sachin be there. Let there be a young person. Why do you bring in a person who cannot lead? I have respect for Kharge, but Kharge cannot lead the party. He cannot inspire the party. He cannot fight the leader like Modi in the Lok Sabha. What are you doing with this party? Please don't destroy this 125-year-old party.
Why are you doing this, Ami Yagnik? And one second. You talk of the long run. No, you talk of the long run. I find that very interesting. What is long run? Depends on what you talk about in the long term. Well, in the long term, 1 second, depends on what you're talking as the long term. In the long term, all of us are dead. Which long term? Aarti Jairath, which long term? 20 years from now? And what happens to the Congress party in the interim, Aarti Jairath?
For 5 years, in a year or two, it has to be a strong
absolutely.
opposition.
And
We
you know,
can attack the
Arnab,
government.
this has been the hallmark of the Sonia Rahul style of leadership: power without responsibility. Somehow they managed to pull it off in UPA 1, but as we saw in UPA 2, this whole thing came unstuck. And that is why the Congress has been reduced to the pathetic position that it is in today. And now, again, instead of stepping up and leading from the front, they're again stepping back, and they're putting an elderly gentleman who has no political
Exactly.
base, no leadership, style at all. They're putting him in front to try and lead the party. I mean, if they had to choose, if the Gandhis didn't want to take responsibility, at least they could have put up somebody younger. But I guess the problem is they don't want anybody to, sort of shine in comparison to Rahul. But, enough is enough, Rahul. Sorry, Rahul, I'm calling you. Enough is enough, Arnab. At
Thank
some
you.
point,
Thank you.
Rahul Gandhi has to take a decision.
I just,
At some point, Rahul has to take a decision. Does he want to stay in politics, or does he want to go home?
No, I think
It cannot go on like this.
You see, if you take a look at what Sonia Gandhi...
We don't want to attack Rahul, we want to stand up with Rahul now.
Right.
But he should stand up for himself.
Look, Sonia Gandhi, right from the beginning, never wanted someone who has any base whatsoever, whether it is Manmohan Singh or anyone else. Right now, the better persons, I think, from the Congress point of view, were people like Kamal Nath and Sachin Pilot and all these guys who are Jyotiraditya Scindia to be able to lead.
We want to know what are the...
But she's put again Kharge, so that another guy who's totally dependent on Sonia Gandhi for everything, he comes out and says, I will do whatever she says.
What does this
again,
look like?
today, if you saw what Kharge said, I will do whatever Sonia Gandhi says. So to have a slave constantly lead the party at a time when you need a leader, it could have been Rahul Gandhi. If you've decided against Rahul Gandhi, put someone else who's capable. And there are a few capable people still left in Congress, like Kamal Nath, Jyotiraditya and all. Why not them? What are you doing to them? You're just sidelining everybody.
And what are these kind of comments after the loss in Amethi? You say in Amethi, मैं जनता के लिए लड़ूंगा, हम सशक्त विपक्ष की भूमिका निभाएंगे, जहां जनता की नहीं सुनी गई तो आग लगा देंगे. I mean, you keep making these immature comments. I want to know whether you can actually do anything on the ground. What we want to see, Ajay Alok, you tell me, What do we want?
One last
This
thing
is-
I want to say.
this is
it's
great-
always good to be leading a party when you've hit rock bottom, because the only way is up. So Rahul Gandhi would have been the best time to actually come out and say, I want to lead.
You see,
you're missing out
you
on all
understand, you
opportunities
understand
for him.
Ami Agnik, the greatest opportunity that Rahul Gandhi could have had, right? It's a great opportunity.
But he's left every opportunity.
No.
There's
But
opportunity that he
Pinky
has
Anand, think
taken
of it
up.
very objectively. If the man wants to prove himself, then Ajay Alok, leader of opposition, he can marshal all his remaining partymen on the floor of parliament. He can devise a strategy with them. He can build bridges with leaders like from the JDU, right? He can make extempore speeches to take on Narendra Modi. He can question the next time Narendra Modi or the leader of the government stands up, Ajay Alok, then Rahul Gandhi can on an extempore basis question Narendra Modi point by point by point. He can display his oratory straight on, so the people of this country know what Rahul Gandhi is capable of, Ajay Alok. It's a delightful opportunity for a leader to say that forget the fact that I have not had a great parliamentary record. Forget the fact that I have not been present very often. Forget the fact that I have not asked too many questions. Forget the fact that 76% is the average nationally and I have attended only 37%. Forget the fact that an average MP may ask 300 questions and I may not have asked a single question, or the fact that I may have in my entire parliamentary participatory career taken part in only 2 debates. Forget all that. Here I come now. What is the point of saying aag laga denge kind of comments outside when people want to see you prove your skills? Ajay Alok, don't you think it would have been a delightful opportunity for any leader to prove his ability, which Rahul Gandhi is giving up? Yes.
Arnav, the basic point is a reluctant prince can never become a good king and can never inspire the army. So we have been seeing Rahul Gandhi has always been like a reluctant prince. Today when the time was to take the bull by its horn, he decided to be in the backyards, and this he has been doing since 2010. And this is the best time, I think he decided for himself that it's best time to detoxify, because they have been taking the poison of the power for the last 10 years. What he has mentioned earlier, कि माँ ने कहा था कि सत्ता जहर के समान होती है. So I guess he chose to detoxify himself rather than taking the bull by its horn. And this shows his reluctance, and this is something good for the BJP, not for the Congress of course, because this has set the morale, and this has set the, I guess, this is my point of view. I mean, this has set the morale of the congressmen more weaker. And secondly, they don't want to project anyone from the Hindi heartland. They don't want to project any leadership, because that might pose a challenge in the later future.
So from BJP's point of view, this is perfect from Mr. Modi's point of view, because when competition is committing suicide, get out of the way. And Congress is committing suicide. BJP just has to stand back and watch the entire party disintegrate now with these kind of decisions.
I want
they are on a suicidal path.
I want to know from Ami Agnik. I have 3 questions to Ami Agnik. Ma'am, please listen to me. 3 questions, simple. My first question is Mallikarjun Kharge the best speaker in the Congress party? Speaker, I mean not a person who sits on the speaker's chair, because you can't sit there. But is he the best orator in the Congress party?
Arnav, if you have seen the track record of Mr. Mallikarjun, he has been having a record of winning 9 times consecutively in the Legislative Assembly in Karnataka.
No, 1 second. Kamal Nath won 9 times in the parliamentary election.
He's a very senior member.
Kamal Nath won 9 times in the parliamentary election.
Member of the party.
Jyotiraditya has never lost.
Why don't you put up a young leader? How many times has Jyotiraditya Scindia won?
No, you know, Arnab, look
You
at
want-
the
no, 1 second.
If the party has decided on Mallikarjun ji, what is the problem? You know, he has all these dynamics. He will understand all the dynamics of administration.
I think it's about time you all said Sonia Gandhi has decided and stopped using the word party.
Opposition leaders while he was in one of the assembly
why
leaders.
are you not promoting a younger leadership?
Yeah, why?
You have today a cabinet
Why
where
aren't you
where the average age is about 59. Why are you putting somebody who's in his 70s
Why?
as your main face in Lok Sabha?
No, why are you doing it? We really want to know, unless you want a Manmohan Singh Mark II.
Absolutely.
No, you want a
That is it.
Manmohan Singh Mark II.
Who is subservient? That's all.
What do you want?
Arnav, it is basically when you go with a puppet on a
He's
string.
not
What
even
else?
Arnav.
using
You want a puppet.
Arnav.
kind of credibility.
Correct.
You want a puppet on a string who will sign whatever file that Tenjan Pad
We
says.
have.
You know how bad
Mr.
this looks?
Kharge has all the experience.
You want a puppet.
He has the know-how.
Shahid Siddiqui
of how
says you
to
want a puppet.
be in action when he has been having such a great track record. Why do you ask such questions? That why not Kamal Nath ji and
But
why not another
but he
leader?
have the
party
leadership
has chosen Mr.
capabilities.
Kharge. Let him
why
be the
not
leader of the
somebody
opposition.
younger?
And
When
why do you
is
talk
your
about only
younger
oratory
generation
skills? You
going to
need
take
also the
over?
experience.
Abiy
You need
Yajnik,
also the understanding
everywhere
of
in
the
every party, the
administration
younger
and legislation
generation
both.
is taking over. Why is the Congress stuck in a time warp? Why is the Congress stuck with its older generation, the Gen X?
Well,
instead
right
of the
now,
Gen
tonight,
Next?
Aarti Jaira, this debate is warming up.
Arnav,
No.
if we had got a younger
Mallikarjun
leader, you would have
Kharge.
said, why is the
Mallikarjun
party
Kharge
picking a
is
young
the
leader
Gen Next
and
leader of the
keeping
Congress
aside the
party.
senior leaders? There are questions and questions. Why not let the party decide? And when the party has decided, why not wait and see? Why you want to ask questions? If there is a younger
do you call
person, you would have come with
Sonia
counter
Gandhi
arguments
party?
about
Sonia
that.
Gandhi
Stop
using the word party.
Congress doesn't require
No, counters. I'm going to allow counters coming in. Okay, first counter Shahid Siddiqui. Shahid Siddiqui, quickly. And then we'll take more after the break. Tonight, we'll ask the Congress
Yes.
those questions. Yes.
Arnab, today I had decided that I will not attack the family. I will not talk about what is wrong with Rahul Gandhi. But unfortunately, we are forced to do it. And I have to say that they should have some feeling for the common congressman who stands up for the party, who is committed to the party, and they choose this man who has no credibility in Karnataka itself. He cannot aspire. So what are you trying to do? You just want to have puppet after a puppet after a puppet. That means you have decided that you don't want a future for the Congress party. You only want the future for your Shehzada, and this Shehzada, and I will call him Shehzada because he behaves like a Shehzada. He doesn't behave like the leader of a democratic party, a democratic leader of such a huge country. He should stand up and say, look, I take the responsibility and I will fight on. आग कहाँ लगा दोगे?
Rashid Kidwai.
करना जो है.
Rashid Kidwai. Rashid Kidwai, how expensive is this decision going to be for the Congress party of appointing Mallikarjun Kharge or Rahul Gandhi for avoiding responsibility once again?
Personally, I feel that Rahul should have taken this opportunity and should have become leader of opposition. But I understand why a decision has been taken in Kharge's favor. You see this under Article 5 of Congress Party in Parliament Constitution, Sonia Gandhi was empowered. If she had appointed her son, there would have been a criticism. What she should have done was organized. Let me explain. She should have organized elections of 44 members. Body. There could have been easy. There is no status. Let me complete. Arnab, let me explain. Second thing, who are the other parties in opposition as of now? It's Mamata Banerjee and it's Jayalalitha and of course Biju Janata Dal. All three have profound kind of antipathy towards Nehru Gandhi family. So if there is a member of Nehru Gandhi family playing that role in opposition in parliament, there would have been a lot of functional problem. Third thing is that
what are you saying?
For any political party, there are two roles. One is in parliament, one is outside parliament. There are so many people, for instance, left leaders who have not been member of parliament.
Is Kharge the best choice? I agree with you. You don't want to have Rahul Gandhi.
Is
Kharge the best choice?
I think there should have been elections. I think there should have been CPP should have chosen a leader.
If you had nominated a person like Kamal Nath or Jyotiraditya, let me tell you, the party would have been far better off than having this kind of a situation. You are really Congress.
But I'm saying ideally there should have been elections.
Suicide.
No,
It suits. I'm very happy because I'm a Modi fan. I'm very happy.
One minute. And Mr. Kidwai, great regard for you.
Yeah.
Tremendous respect for you. You are far senior to me as a journalist. But Mr. Kidwai, did Sonia Gandhi go around asking congressmen, may I have your permission please to appoint my son as the vice president of the party? No. Did Sonia Gandhi go around asking congressmen, may I take your permission to appoint him the campaign chief? Did she take the permission of every person in the Congress party? You blame the Congress party. And by the way, just visualize this debate. I'm coming back. Visualize this debate where the one person chosen and handpicked to take on Narendra Modi in the Lok Sabha for the next 5 years is an innocuous gentleman called Mallikarjun Kharge. I can only imagine how inspired
But
those debates are.
Rahul would have been easy meat.
Well, with that, then say
what?
so.
The- all
So what
the
is
talk-
Rahul Gandhi going to do for the next 5 years? Go on a discovery of India? We're going to come back to this debate
First of
on the
all,
other side.
You see, yeah.